Hello, video views, and welcome back to the HBK Educational Podcast. So, as we had started the chapter number 21st of class Matric Mathematics, and it's gonna be lecture number 4, and we had studied two questions of exercise 21st.1, in which I told you about many of the concepts, and I hope that you had gotten this as well. So, today I am here with the third question, and let's get started without wasting even a single second. So this is the book, and let me open exercise 21st.1. So it's 21st.2, and let's go back. This is 21st.1, and we had question number 3, and that would be, I think, here. So this is x squared minus 3x plus 6 and x into x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. So let's solve it on the copy. So this is basically, we had question number 3, and that is x square minus 3x plus 6. So it's x square minus 3x and plus 6 divided by x into x minus 2 and x minus 1. So x minus 2 and into x minus 1. So let's start directly the solution of this question. So as I told you before, that case number 1 used to say that the denominator would be consisted of non-repeated linear factors. So if you see over here, and before it's directly starting the solution of the question, we should see that either this question is proper or improper, means proper rational fraction or either improper rational fraction. Now what is meant by this? If you see over here, if anybody whose mathematics is just like not an advanced level, so if any student will see over here, they would consider it as just x, but it's not like that, because over here x power is 1 and here is x power 2. So anybody whose mathematics is just not in advanced level, he would consider that this is improper rational fraction, and he would directly start converting this into the proper rational fraction. But this is not like that. I'm telling you that how to do this. If you see over here, we do not have just only a single x, we have over here x as well and here x as well, and these 3x are just gonna multiply. So if I would write over here x into x into x, this would become as x cube, because this is the clear rule of mathematics. Whenever you had any terms like this x and you are just, their bases are same, you are just gonna add their powers, exponents, and over here x power is 1 and 1. When you will add all these powers, you will get x power as 3. So this is the simple solution of this. So whenever you had the variables or terms whose bases are the same, and you're just gonna add your exponents and powers, and you'll get the answer. So over here we had multiplied, and the answer became what? It's x3. So now tell me that either x3 is bigger or x squared is bigger. So x3 is bigger. So this is a proper rational fraction. It's not an improper rational fraction. I'm telling you again, listeners, just focus on it. When you will understand the concept, there wouldn't be anything that you will not understand. So let's get started. Now if you see over here in the denominator, you will feel that there is no solution for this. There is no solution for the denominator. Why is this so? Because if you see over here, all the terms are just single and they are gonna multiply, but we do not need to multiply because terms are given to us. So now what was the next step? And the next step was just to solve it. So over here, a1 divided by x plus a2 divided by x minus 2 plus a3 divided by x minus 1. And I'm also gonna tell you one most important thing, and that is, for example, if somebody not getting any type of concept, so he should start watching my videos from the start, so that every concept would be clear of him. Otherwise, if you would start from the myth, there would be like trouble for you, and you will not be able to solve it. So I was just gonna tell you this important thing, and now let's get started further. So we had now the another step, and let's get started. So as I told you over here, I had written this step, and that's a1 divided by x plus a2 divided by x minus 2 plus a3 divided by x minus 1. So now let's solve the another step, and let's get started. It would be x square minus 3x plus 6, and this would be as x into x minus 2 and x minus 1. This would be equal to this. Now after that you're gonna take the LCM. What was the next step of these type of questions? And that is LCM. So x is like this. Now we had x minus 2, and it would be as x minus 1. After this point we are just going to take the LCM of it. So how to take the LCM? This would be a1, then see, this term, this is a separate term, this is a separate term, and this is a separate term. So if you see over here the first term, and that is a1 upon x, so a1 already had the x, so just cancel this x with this. What would remain? It would be remaining as x minus 2 and x minus 1. Simple. Now a2 has x minus 2, so cancel it. Then it would remain as x minus 1 x, then plus a3. What it would be, x minus 1 is already, so it would be as x minus 2, and x would remain over here. So please put your hand over here. So I was gonna tell you one most important thing, and just let me write it clearly once, so that you will, it will be appear like too much clear for you. This is minus, not as plus, so it would be exactly the same. Now after that, x into x minus 2 divided by into x minus 1 is equal to a1 into x minus 2, and this would be as x minus 1 plus a2, this would be as x minus 1 x plus a3 x minus 2 x divided by, we had the same, that's x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. So now this all LCM would be cancelled with this denominator. So what is remaining? And that is x square minus 3x minus 6 is equal to a1 into x minus 2 and x minus 1 plus a2 into x minus 1 x plus a3 and x minus 2 and x. So now further we will continue in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Such kind of educational videos helps the people to build their concept about mathematics. Thanks for watching the videos of HBK Education Podcast. Inshallah, I'll try my level best to make my channel more bigger, and this just for because of the support of the people and the students, those who wanna view my videos. Just subscribe my channel so that you'll get notification. Thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart, and let's explore the world of education. Thank you very much.